How to fix Instagram using glitch on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this Instagram problem easy and quick on Android or iOS phone. First, open Play Store. Now make sure your Instagram is updated. Just see if there's an update here and then click update. It's easy. Now go to settings, scroll down until you find apps, then click apps again, and here type Instagram, click on it. Now click force stop and go to storage, clear cache, and then go to permissions, give it all of those permissions here. And if you have an iPhone, just go to settings, then iPhones, then general, then iPhone storage, then just click Instagram and click offload. And I hope that can fix your problem. Please don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.